What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have a new watch face to the channel. This one is called the Dadam17. Now, if you have the Galaxy Store app installed on your device, whether that be your smartphone or your tablet, I'll throw the link down below so you can just tap or click on the link and it should take you straight to the page that houses this watch face. Now, right off the bat, you can see on the left side that there's a couple of airplanes that look like they're going in a circle path. So that's a nice detail that's added there. And then the font that's used, of course, is a good looking font, but I like the information that's on the right side of the face. It gives you your battery percentage, your heart rate, it looks like any alarms, the day of the week, your distance, the number of steps, and the calories burned. So all in all, this is a really clean watch face. I think this would be a great addition to the watch faces that you already have. And if you don't have a lot of watch faces, or if you're using the standard watch faces that come with the Samsung watches, then I would highly suggest considering adding this watch face to your collection. Again, nice fonts, nice details with the plane flying, the time and date, and all the information that's available. This is a pickup for sure. Features of this watch face include multi-language, so you'll have English, German, French, Hungarian, Italian, and Spanish available, as well as a 12 or 24-hour format. So that format's going to be based off of the settings on your phone or on your tablet. You'll also get the distance in kilometers or miles and the app shortcuts. So when I talked earlier about what was on the right side of the face, you can tap on each one of those and that'll be an app shortcut for the corresponding information. And then you'll have many color variations. So to get to the color variations, you'll just want to double tap on the actual line that separates the left from the right part of the watch face, and you'll do the double tap and it should change the colors. So let's go ahead and get into some of the color change options right now. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button. And if you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell, select all, and that way you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official with the Dadam17 watch face, and we will see you later.